So guys, today we have come to shoot the breast cancer awareness month video with my warrior Vijaya Sethi, and we are back to Shekhar Falls because she was so in love with my video that she wanted to be here. So we thought, why not, let's spread some awareness regarding breast cancer and let's go back and enjoy. People come here with a lot of friends, but I thought that I'll come here with my best friend. So enjoy today's video. Welcome to Lifestyle with Din, and if you like the stuff that I do, please do like, share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. This would be my most entertaining bit for now. Seeing mom cross this, she says that she's a pahadi, so let's see her confidently cross this small bridge. Oh my god, effortless pahadi. Enjoying herself. So hailing from the upper Himalayas, she is used to these surroundings and she enjoys them. Oh my god. And I enjoy them too. And I hope you enjoy them too. And we have someone working on the water here. That is my pet name. So there is some water being added to the water. This is the supply of the water line to the village, and this is our path. So ma'am, let's go.
Yep.
So guys, it's been around about 15 years since cancer came into our lives, but it couldn't thwart our journeys. But that doesn't happen with everyone, so we have to be very mindful of all sorts of cancers, and especially breast cancer, because what happens is, especially with beautiful divine feminine energy, they kind of keep a lot of things within and they carry resentment inside. They can't show it off, and because of that, a lot of tension energy works up. And I believe it's a matter of energy also, or maybe one of the biggest matters of cancers is this energy. So we have to identify that. We have to understand that we have to practice non-violence, and we have to start this practice with ourselves. Practicing non-violence is the first postulate of the Ashtanga Yoga principle of Yama. It's called Ahimsa. And Ahimsa only starts with self. So please be non-violent, but please start with yourself, because then you carry a lot of negative energy which turns into cancer, this, that. So with that being said, let's carry on this beautiful path with Mummy Darling, who is not only a survivor but a thriver. Can we have a thumbs up?
I want to put in a word, please, if you
Of
don't
course.
mind. Treat your cancers not like a disease, but like you are at ease. And let the water flow and the disease will flow out with it. Don't take it otherwise. Have the willpower.
Beautiful message by a beautiful thriver. I hope all of you who have come up with this particular dis-ease are not only healed yourself but are spreading awareness regarding it. So guys, we have to identify that we are reborn many times in our life, and the ones who combat different kinds of diseases in life, they are given a rebirth, and it's like a blind turn they go through, and they survive not only for themselves but to spread good messages all around. So every survivor is a thriver, as I mentioned before, and you have been given a rebirth. not for your own self, but to spread joy, peace, harmony in this world. So please make sure you're doing that and keep nurturing plants, other human beings with love and a lot of joy. Basically, Swasthya has been nurtured by my mother as well. She has been a major reason for me to start this holistic health and wellness company, and that's why I represent this beautiful feeling of spreading awareness for breast cancer with all sorts of pink colors in my life. And Swasthya also indulges in not only spending or spreading messages which come as a result of something bad going on, but also preventive health messages. So we have to partake in preventive practices of mind, body and soul in order to uplift us. If we are not, then we are bound to suffer some way or the other. So keep that in mind and keep going forward. So leave behind the past and keep walking on this beautiful new journey, which is an opportunity to not only shine for yourself but for everyone around you. Mom doesn't know we are heading towards the waterfall. I wanted to capture her reaction, so let's see what happens. And she's coming here for the first time, I believe. She's enjoying all of these things, and it gives me a lot of happiness to share these places which guys, girls go to with friends, with my best friend, no? Because this is what the beauty of life is. And she's making a beautiful bouquet. And let's see what happens. She wants the flower, which I will pluck for her. And let's see. So no response till now. So Popat is happening as usual. Too busy with plants.
Oh my god.
How is it going, ma'am?
Oh my god.
Lady ma'am?
Look at the people.
Yes.
Everybody here for picnic.
Yes.
We are here for a reason.
What is the reason, ma'am?
My reason is I wanted to see this virgin waters
Wow.
alone.
But that's okay.
But fine then. We have people around us. Good
How are you
time.
liking it?
Beautiful.
Do you like the coolness in the temperature?
Absolutely wonderful. It's like Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls in Dehradun. Of course it is. And it can be the best falls as per what you want it to be, no? That's how life is. So always look for reasons to live fully. In life, always find reasons to smile. Oh, मजा आ गया भाई. Keep walking, guys. No matter how steep the climb, you have to keep walking, because if you stop, then you limit yourself. Keep walking forward in life, no matter what life brings your way. If you can see, Hanumanji is here, and that's
Yeah. Actually on their property.
the champion enjoying the view.
I'll bring it something.
Some people live in beautiful palaces with all the comforts and luxuries, and they make nothing out of life. But some people make the most out of whatever life gives them. Mom has made a little bouquet out of whatever the jungle offered, for which she is really grateful. And she's also made the best out of her circumstances. So you too, don't be depressed, downgraded by any disease that you might face. Be empowered by it. Be empowered because you are the divine being shining through on earth. Shine for yourself and for others. Mummy's enjoying the shower of blessings, as I said, and he relishes this beautiful opportunity of a life to live, to dedicate to humanity, to grow, spread awareness, and spread smiles. Hello.
Hi.
So guys, whether you have breast cancer, any disease, any problems in life, keep yourself as positive as possible, because beyond positivity lies your illumination. You don't have to use a rebirth that you get after surviving a disease for yourself, but to spread love and awareness all around. That's it from Mom. And then I hope you have the best day ever. Please share this with someone who is a survivor, who is a thriver, or who looks down upon themselves because they might have some disease or problems. As a result of the coronavirus, a lot of people have taken negativity deep inside. This is an opportunity to spread more love, more harmony and joy, because all of us have got another birth. So let's use this time efficiently, and you guys enjoy these views and enjoy lifestyle with Din and Mom, who's enjoying the fruit
Of your hard work.
Heading home with the expert trekker. The expert trekker who has a PhD in climbing mountains, walking on Pakdandis. Pakdandis are
Since a birth.
since her birth, of course.
Pahadi.
Pahadi since birth. Pahadi cha bhari khub chaddu cha.
Tiri Garhwal ki pahadi chadi.
Tiri Garhwal chi pahadi chaddu cha tab khub chaddu cha tab utardu bhi cha ta. So we are going back now, and nice work here, because I thought that, why not help empower other people to believe in themselves and to maybe go on their own chase for a summit, maybe a mountain, or in life, even after anything, any mishap that happens to you. You shouldn't stop striving for excellence, striving for something better, striving for setting better qualities and standards of life, not only for yourself but to leave a legacy for others. And that's what I have tried to depict today, and hope people who are privileged and entitled understand that preventive health is the key, that living in joy, not only excitement but joy, is the key, and non-violence begins with self. So it's very easy to be peaceful outside, but be non-violent to yourself also. Live to love yourself, and then let it overflow. With that being said, bye bye again. Bye bye my friends, and hope to see you soon on another episode on Lifestyle with Din. So what happens with the winners is that they celebrate their victories even before they have them. So we are celebrating the success of this breast cancer awareness video before it happens. We're enjoying some amazing tuppa at Khalsam. There's a mark of celebrating the success of raising awareness for breast cancer with the amazing Mrs. Sethi.